Hi everyone, I'm Herrick Kimball, and today in this video I'm on a mission to try to make this video 3 minutes or less. 7 months ago I posted a video on YouTube telling about this Whizbang Chisel Sharpening Jig that I developed many years ago. That video has gotten 72,000 plus views in 7 months. It should have more than that because the idea is so unique and so remarkable and so good. But the problem is it is 24 minutes long. It's a full tutorial. If you watch it for 24 minutes, you're really going to learn a useful skill. However, I realize there's a lot of people who don't want a 24-minute how-to video. They just want the high points. Just give me the facts. That's what I'm going to do here. But first, you must, that's underscored, pause the film and read this caution. Here is the Whizbang Chisel Sharpening Jig with a dull nicked chisel in it, ready for sharpening. This jig, you will notice, has 2 skis on the bottom. The skis are there so that this jig and the blade can straddle this belt. You can see the concept right here. I'm going to show it to you in a second, but I want to tell you that I do sell these already finished and made, or I sell inexpensive PDF specifications for making your own jig. All right, let's see this at work. Alrighty, the blade has now been ground flat, and I have a wire edge here. Maybe you can see that wire edge, I hope so. Now we will hone the blade. To hone the blade in the jig, I put another belt in. This is a sanding belt that's totally worn out, and I've charged it with this Veritas green honing compound. And there you should be able to see that it is polished up. Got a little bit of a wire edge still there, but that's going to come off in the stropping. I like to strop the blade on cardboard because it works. A few times like that, back and forth, and the blade will be very sharp. I test sharpness by using the thumb and fingernail test. How low can I incline this blade and have it still catch? And that's pretty low. See that? That chisel is very sharp. Hardwood, softwood, sharp, sharp, sharp.